Hi, I'm Dr. Giles, and I wanted to explain a little bit about PRP. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. What this is a technique where we can take some blood from the patient, about 15 cc's, that's about 2 syringes full, and we spin it into a centrifuge. So these are the special capturing vials that we use. They have a filter in the bottom there. And once they have blood in them, then we put them into the centrifuge. And as we do that, we spin this out at 9,000 RPMs for about 9 minutes. And what that'll do is separate the red and white blood cells on the bottom with the filter in the middle and platelet-rich plasma on the top, or plasma. The platelet-rich plasma are in different areas of that plasma. But we're able to draw that plasma up into a syringe and then inject that into or around a joint, around the spine, around a knee, a shoulder, any tissue that we want, as long as it's not by a nerve. As a chiropractor, I'm unable to go intra-articular inside the joint. I can go around the joint, but that then, as we inject that platelet-rich plasma, we've now got platelets that have been concentrated and are very ready to go. They've been activated. So those platelets, whenever there's trauma, platelets are released, and that's what creates the scar or the coagulation of the blood, the clotting factors, all are within that platelet-rich plasma. We can inject that then either around the neck, low back, and that what that does is helps as it comes in to the area. It's ready to elicit a healing response. There are literally within that there are growth hormones and cytokines that help to shut down inflammation. It also is almost like putting in a smoke jumper into the middle of a forest fire. So when there's a forest fire, the smoke jumpers are dropped into the area, and then they will direct healing. So healing, they actually are bringing in what we call stem cells. So a stem cell is what we all carry on our bodies, but that's what helps us heal. So by using PRP, we are driving the patient's own body stem cells to that area to help it heal. Within stem cells, that's a great way to heal, and I'll explain that to you later on our stem cell process that we do here as well.